Okay, I'm going to do a quick video to talk about drawing tools, online drawing tools. In your assignment, if you click on the actual document, it is going to be inside shared, or it's going to be shared inside OneDrive. So what you're going to have to do is hit edit and then open in desktop. So here it is, and we'll show you. Sorry, it's taking a little bit longer, but I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so under editing, you can open in desktop. So open it in the desktop app. Let's see, it opens. Hold on 1 second. So it may take a minute, but it basically downloads it as a copy. Once it's downloaded, though, you still have to take it and insert it back into the original assignment. So here it is downloaded, and once it's downloaded, you have access to more of the tools. So this is the draw tool that's here. And when you click on it, you can see that it gives you different points to draw, it gives you an eraser, and different colors, and you can actually add more. So you can just insert a page and let's see, insert a page break. Okay, and then go back to draw, and you can draw and then add color as you will. Now that's one option for drawing on this document. There are a couple other web pages that I will type in really quickly. Pixlr.com. I think the E version or the X version is the free version. Let's see, Photopea.com. Sketchpad.com. So those are 3 more, but most of you on your phones or your iPads have like photo editor or different things like that, or drawing tools. But these are just some examples. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.